Good morning students, have a nice day. 8th standard Maths chapter 6 statistics. Introduction. What is statistics? Introduction. Data. Data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements and observations. Data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements and observations. Example, staff's age in a company such as 27, 51, 19, 21, 46, 35, 52, 25. Staff's age in a company is listed below. This is a data. This is the example for data. Then another one, we have two ideas, primary data and secondary data. What is primary data? The data that are collected in person for the first time for a specific purpose. Example, census in a village. Census in a village is the data that are collected in person for the first time. First time data is called the primary data. Secondary data, the data that are sourced from some places that has originally collected it. This kind of data has already been collected by some other persons. Example, birth, death details data can be got from concerned office. So this data, this secondary data has already been collected by some persons in some other area or some places. The data that are sourced from some places that has collected originally collected it. Next one is frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. What is frequency distribution? A frequency distribution is the arrangement of the given data in the form of the table showing frequency. There are two types of distribution. One is frequency table for ungrouped data and frequency distribution table for grouped data. So we have two types of data, grouped data and ungrouped data. The arrangement of the given data in the form of table showing frequency is called a frequency table. Ungrouped data or discrete data. An ungrouped data that assume only whole numbers and exact measurements. A usual way to represent this is by using bar graphs. An ungrouped data can assume only whole numbers. So whole numbers மட்டும் தான் accept பண்ணுவோம். So whole numbers only and exact measurements. This is by showing bar graphs. Example, the number of teachers in a school, that is a whole number. Second one is the number of players in a game. This is also a whole number. The number of teachers in a school and the number of players in a game. This is ungrouped data or discrete data. Grouped data or continuous data. A grouped data is any value within the highest and lowest value of the range. They can be graphically represented by using histograms. So range means the highest value minus lowest value. Range equal to the highest value minus the lowest value. That is called range. A group data is any value within the highest and lowest value of the range. They can be graphically represented by using histograms. So histogram is a measurement showing previously ungrouped data. This is by using by bar graphs, and this grouped data is showing by or using by histograms. Example, the age of the persons in a village. Second one is the highest and the height and weight of the students in your class. The height and weight of the students in your class. This is grouped data. So class interval. This is very important result. CI, class interval. The range of the variable is grouped into number of classes, and each group is known as class interval. We separate the variable into classes, number of classes. Each group is known as class interval. The difference between the upper limit and the lower limit of the class is known as class size. Ci equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. So far we have seen that the results. I remember once again: statistics, data, primary data, secondary data, frequency distribution and frequency distribution table. The next one is ungrouped data and discrete data. Grouped data are continuous data and class interval. These are the basic ideas or basic informations of the statistics. So you go through all the definitions and well known to you. We see in the next class. Thank you, students.